Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas. Today's Friday, so
it's Final Cut Fridays!
And on this Final Cut Friday, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add an adjustment layer to your timeline using Final Cut Pro 10. Let's get it! So first things first, everybody, this is for all my Final Cut Pro 10 users out there. As you may know, adjustment layers are usually from people who use Adobe Premiere, supposedly. So it doesn't come pre-equipped in any Final Cut Pro. However, I left a download link in the description. When you go there, it's going to take you to this MediaFire page. I promise you it's not a virus. You're going to click download. I'm going to show you how to install it right now. Once it downloads, your file is going to be here. Alright, this is the file you downloaded. Once you have it, you're going to create a folder named adjustment layer like I have here. Put that in there. After that, we're going to come to, I'm going to hit Shift Command H. Mine's in the movie folder under motion templates, and we're going to go under titles and just move that in here. As you can see, I have other stuff here, but my adjustment layer is cozy right there. Now once we have that, restart your Final Cut Pro 10 and let's get into the tutorial. I just recently got hip to the adjustment layer. I've been the type to color grade everything and copy and then highlight all the scenes right here and paste effects, you know. So this was working for me and got the job done great, but trying some new things, and I actually like this adjustment layer thing. So let me show you guys how to do it. What's wrong, baby? Excuse my son in the background. So to get your adjustment layer, we're gonna come over here to the titles effect, and mine's up right here. Drag that on down. So basically any effect you do for the video, whether it be like these video effects right here, or if you're doing color grades, anything under this block right here, it's gonna have the effect. This is a video I've been editing for one of my clients in Australia. Shouts to Pro Football, and it's not graded. This is raw right here. Now what you do is you click the adjustment layer right here, and I'm gonna hit Command 6 on my keyboard, and it brings up the color correction. So I'm gonna do a quick color grade for you guys. I know I'm supposed to be doing a tutorial on how to color grade. Sorry, I'm still faking. Now as you can see, the other footage doesn't have the grade, so all I do is extend it out, and you can see with, without. So everything under this block is getting graded with, without, and you can see how handy this can be. So if I need to make a minor adjustment on only one clip, let's say, instead of copying and pasting it all over again to all these clips, I have this adjustment layer up here and it'll handle that for me. But let's say I want to add another adjustment layer, and let's say, I don't know, I'm playing with effects, and let's say for some weird reason I only wanted it for the intro. Well, I have my adjustment layer right here, and
guys, it's Anthony Callaghan here from Sydney.
I can get trippy real quick.
Yeah, saying Pro Football.
Now I know for a fact I'm not going to use this effect, but I'm just showing you for tutorial purposes only. Like, you can add multiple adjustment layers and you can do everything on this block and potentially increase your workflow and editing flow. And that's my tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you don't have this adjustment layer in your Final Cut Pro arsenal, click the link in the description. It's going to send you to a MediaFire link. You download that and go through the first steps of the process I said in the beginning of the video. If you liked the video, give your boy a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, as well as vlogs, unboxings, reviews, and inspiration videos, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya!